Hello family, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table where we live tastefully for less. Just want to share a quick video on how you can pull together a barbecue for under $50. Okay, so the foundation, I just put a plastic table cover over my island. And we have barbecue chicken leg quarters, a rack of baby back ribs. I have 4 Italian sausage. I just ate one. And we have hamburger patties. And you have to get everything when it's on sale. I have sliced one grilled onion. I grilled the onions, just one. We have some delicious baked beans. And a nice garden salad. And if you have house plants as your centerpiece, just put a nice arrangement of your house plants here. I have these or whatever, you don't have to run out and get flowers. Use your plants and just lay them on the table, and this will be a very nice and elegant and affordable barbecue dinner for under $50. Okay, guys, and everyone will have enough. Oh, I forgot, for dessert, I just made rainbow fruit cups. All right, just get a rainbow of fresh fruits, cut it up, put them in beautiful glassware, and I got all of that under $50. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your support, and if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, and if you like this content, hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.